What's up, BSG? So today's video is going to be on this gas tank. This is what we're going to get put in. We got our vent to put in, go in there, pull that tape off. We got AN fittings to put on, a fuel line, and we got this piece here to put on. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here we go. We're going to put this piece here on, and I hope I'm putting it on the right way. This here is sticking down like this, so I'm figuring it's got to go like this. But what I want to do though, I want to spray some DW40 on here. A little bit on there to get this thing right. Slide that thing on there. And yeah, there we go. We got holes up there, so let's see if we can push these screws through these holes, because for some reason I can't find the actual screws, I believe, to go in there. So we're gonna put some in there. That is not the right one there. Here we go. And I need to go find one more of these. I think I better do these back ones first. As a matter of fact here. Lined up with that hole right there. As y'all can see, I still need more paint down here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I do. That's okay. I gotta paint it again. Anyway, put the third coat on here, and whatever we're gonna do. Let me run this up just a little bit. Okay, that's good. Now I need me another one. Kinda can't find my other hole. Light up there, so that shit is gonna go that way. So I guess I need to spin this thing around until these holes line up. Which I thought they were lined up, but turn. Uh-oh. See, that's that shit that I didn't want to happen. So let's get some Earl up here. These holes look like they line up from that far away. There. Twist. Let's see what we get this way. Oh, there we go. I got a whole lot better there. All right. I see that a whole lot better. Okay. I think I need to go find me a couple more screws. That's not it. Okay. All right, guys, so let's take a look here, man. So we got this thing here in there like we needed to. Our next thing we need to do, man, is we need to run some wires. I mean, not wires, but we need to run the fuel line. I'm sorry. So as we look here, this is a moving piece. This won't move, but up and down, so I'm not worried about that, but I'll nail my line here. And this here goes up, and I'm kind of worried about it hitting that piece right there. So, all right, guys, so my fuel line is gonna come up right through there. Now I'm gonna put a shield over it, but it's gonna come up through there into the regulator right there, around here, which this one has a regulator on there, but this one here is adjustable, so I can push it as much as I want over here, and it'll adjust over here. And I got a gauge on the return to see what the PSI on the return to see what it is. So we should be pretty good as far as that. And this line right here, this is my feed line. So to come into the bottom here and push out on this side, I'm gonna put this right here like that, and this one here gonna come alongside of it, but it's gonna come up from there straight into there, right there. Yep. I think that's gonna be what it is. But I'm gonna run it, let y'all look at it, and I'm gonna let y'all tell me once this video come out in the comments. Let me know how it look, and give me an idea of what I can do to make it look different or look better. You know what I'm saying? So hit me in the comments. Let me know what I need to do or what I need to change, because I want it to look good. So it's on you guys. we got it. Finally. Whew. Man, that was a long one. So I'll try to move this over here. And seeing how this is a Ron Francis plug, I messed around and bought the original plug, the OEM, and it's not fitting correctly. So I'm probably gonna have to go buy me a weather tight 4-plug wire and redo those. Find out which ones is what. All right, so here we go. We got our line. And now that I remember, it comes across here. So we're gonna have to rethink our movement. So come across here, and I'm gonna just bring it around here and go the way I was gonna go. So I guess we're gonna have to do one at a time. So let me get this started, guys, and I'm gonna meet y'all down there somewhere. All right, guys, so I done decided I'm gonna go just like this. Okay, we're gonna bring them this way, and we're gonna come up right through here, and my gauge is right here. Well, right in here. So we're gonna come up through here into it, and then we'll bring the one, the 6, to come up through here as well, and we'll go straight over that way into the into our fuel rail, and the 8 will go into the regulator. So I'm going to drill a hole here, drill a bigger hole here, then I'll drill a bigger one there, and we're gonna bring our lines up through here. Yes, sir. That's what we're gonna do. Yep. And then this is gonna be covered anyway right in here with the splash shield, so it'll go right up in there without a problem. And what make it so great? Ouch! Almost down. Screwed my head up. What make it so great, y'all, that it's gonna come up right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's gonna come up right here into it. Right here. Yep. So I see that one right there. I'm gonna drill a hole from this side right there, and then I'll do the rest of it from the bottom. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show y'all this, man, and I'm gonna call the video right here. This is gonna be part 1. I'm gonna show y'all this, and y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Should I run this a different way? Cause I can still, and yeah. So take a look. All right. So this is what we got. We got this line that's gonna go into the regulator, and this here is coming around. That top one gonna go there, and that bottom one's already there. So y'all let me know, man. Is that gonna look all right, or what? Plus, gotta know it's gonna be a little air filter come across here somewhere to cover that. Then you got the other stuff that's gonna be in here. So it's gonna be noticeable, but not noticeable, if you understand what I'm saying. Well, it's gonna be noticeable regardless to the fact. It's gonna be noticeable. So let me know if y'all see something different I can do, or if that's good. I kind of think it's good. I don't kind of think. I know it's good. So let me know, man, what y'all think. And so it's gonna bring the end to this video. So like, comment, and subscribe, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.